Happy Monday, y'all. It's Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Service and your KSC bidding consultant and owner of the KSC building. So today we're on our construction project offices.
Different vacuum to get like the corners, cause
That's why you got that hose.
oh, there's a hose on there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I didn't even know.
That's why I told you to grab the rear one.
All right.
Yep. Alright, so this is our project today. I wanted to be done today, but they got so much stuff here, so we'll see. I'm actually going to start in this bathroom. Get these walls. Start here. Get these walls. Alright, y'all, so that's my project for today. Hey, y'all. Alright, so I started my construction project today, and now I'm here at the office. I got tons of paperwork, and tomorrow I got some more stuff I want to show you guys, because I got one client who's going to walk me through 2 buildings tomorrow. So I'm going to collect that data and show y'all that. God is good, because, listen, I got a walkthrough of 2 buildings tomorrow, walkthrough on Wednesday, and a walkthrough on Thursday. It's a warehouse. Yep, y'all, so, and you know, I was talking, me and another contractor, we connected today. Actually, she helped me with that construction project, and we were talking, and she was saying how she used to use the Cleanguru, and every time she used it, she won the contract. I said, really? Like, why'd you stop using it? But I swear by the Cleanguru. I'm telling you. It's not techie. It's professional. It has your service plan. Just everything. You can actually edit it. You learn the strategy on how to use it. Listen. Yep. And we was talking about how once you be in business for so long, and you know you've been out here, you don't gotta look for work. Work just come to you. Like when she had her business here one time and moved to Atlanta or somewhere, and she was still getting opportunities, and she was sending them to me. And like now, she's still getting them opportunities. She ain't even trying to really do nothing. I'm trying to encourage her to, like, come on, motivate her to build her business. But once you do all this work you're doing right now, down the line, the opportunities will just be knocking at your door. I'm telling you. They'll be just knocking at your door. You'll be in people's portals. And I'm going to give y'all some portals to get in. You'll be in people's portals. You'll build relationships. You'll network. Listen, just hold on. It gets better. You just got to learn how to get to the money. Once you learn how to get to the money, the rest is easy. Because you can't not bid out your head. It's just not profitable. And you can't be bidding like a solo cleaner. So, join my workshop tomorrow, y'all. 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Can't wait to see you there.